Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1322 and today's topic is avocado and tomato duo can transform your overall health. And this combination of tomato and avocado is very much popular nowadays globally, and people are using these two combinations to make omelette, vegetable, and also salad. The reason is that these two fruits, avocado and tomatoes, they are dense or highly nutritional, and once they combine, their potency or nutritional or antioxidant, anti-inflammatory uh, values are very much multiplied and drastically increased. The reason is that avocado is full of one of the best good the oil. Good oil or good fat means avocado contains omega-3, linoleic, and palmitic monounsaturated fatty acids, and these unsaturated fatty acids, they are known as the best fat or oil, and these fat, they are capable of dissolving vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin E, and also lycopene. And these tomatoes, they are rich source of first lycopene, and lycopene is highly soluble in avocado fat because these antioxidants and vitamin like vitamin A, vitamin E, and also lycopene, they are highly soluble in fat. So once it is soluble in fat, in the fat of, that is good fat of avocado, makes them very much efficient to be absorbed by our gut or digestive system. So if suppose you are taking tomato as such without the combination of avocado, then the absorption of these antioxidants and anti-inflammatory is very low. And lot of publications are there that if you combine these two fruits, avocado and tomatoes, so by the combination, it will boost its nutritional and pharmaceutical value. First, that all those antioxidant, anti-inflammatory compounds like lycopene, like vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamin A, they will be very much efficiently absorbed by our digestive system. So it will increase the potency, or we can say capacity of improving our eye health, skin health, anti-cancer property, cardiovascular problem, and also constipation, because water is, this tomatoes, they have 90% water, and avocado is having prebiotic fiber, very rich source of fiber. So this water and fiber, when they combine, they are the best combination to treat the constipation, and it will make bowel movement very smooth. So that's why these two duo or combination is the best for your salad. You add in your diet the salad of these two combinations. Also you can make the omelette, means you take 2 eggs plus half avocado cut in pieces, 1 tomato cut in small pieces, mix them very well, just like you are making the omelette of egg and onion. In place of that, you mix with tomato and avocado. and your omelette will be ready. Let me show you these images internationally. This is the best in restaurant. They are serving the omelette mixed with tomato and avocado, egg, and along with that what salad is there, that salad is the salad of tomato and avocado. And if you take this as a breakfast, as a dinner, or as a lunch, it's full of protein, nutrient, and best nutrient and best antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. This is the omelette of egg, avocado, and tomato, and it's becoming very, very common in many countries globally, because this duo combination of avocado and tomato is going to impact a lot on your overall health. So this is the salad of avocado and tomato, and if you wish you can add even onion or whatever, but main ingredient should be the combination of avocado and tomato salad. Is a very, very nutritional and healthy salad. This is avocado fruit, and to make this salad, what you can do, the inside what pulpy mass, that is yellow one, light yellow color, you just remove the skin, and this pulp you cut in small pieces, and that is full of lot of very good fat plus potassium and also different type of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. So here in the form of summary I have given that the combination of these two fruits together in the form of salad or in the form of omelette can drastically improve your overall health, your immune system, your oxidative stress, and it can protect you from cancer, from constipation, your eye health, your skin health, all are very well protected. So from today onward, better you add in your diet either in the form of breakfast or lunch or dinner, anytime. You can prepare the omelette, you can prepare the salad, and you can eat. So these are all the summary of this. Number one, these two fruits, avocado and tomato, improve lipid profile. If I say improvement of lipid profile means the percentage of LDL and HDL, means bad cholesterol and good cholesterol. So since it is having very good fat, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and also it is very rich source of omega-3. So in your body, in your blood, it will alter the percentage of bad and good cholesterol. So bad cholesterol will be drastically reduced, and there will be improvement in your good cholesterol that will not allow any type of blood clotting, and also it will not allow the constriction of your blood vessels, because it is very rich in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and that good fat will improve the lipid profile, and also it will reduce the percentage of triglyceride. That is very important, and because of this your overall cardiovascular status and health will be improved. Number two, improves blood vessels function. I have already told you that blood vessel function means it contains potassium, both tomato and avocado. So it is combined, double, and it will reduce blood pressure because of presence of potassium. Then number three, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties are both. Number one, increase of antioxidant activities. So if you are suffering from free radical production in your body, that is called oxidative stress. So once you are taking the salad or omelette of these two combinations of avocado and tomatoes, it is going to reduce your oxidative stress, means all the extra free radicals which are produced and moving in your body, and they are capable of destroying and killing your normal cells, your brain cells, they will be drastically neutralized because of their antioxidant property. And anti-inflammatory property means wherever you are having any inflammation or chance of inflammation or chronic inflammation, that is the mother of all health condition, it will be drastically reduced. So once your two conditions are taken care or reduced, one is oxidative stress because of antioxidant compound, second is your inflammation because of the presence of anti-inflammatory compounds, it will boost your overall immune and overall health. So that is inhibit your enhanced cancer cell and inhibition. Your lycopene is very powerful antioxidant and can inhibit the cancer cell production, or even once the cancer cell is produced, it will immediately neutralize it and inhibit it. Then improve immune system, digestive system, your gut health will be improved because of its prebiotic fiber, and that prebiotic fiber, avocado is rich in that, and it will support your gut health. Fiber content of avocado and also water of tomato. So fiber and water combination will help your gut health, and also it will help in constipation. Those who are suffering from frequent constipation, if they put this salad and this omelette, it will drastically reduce the condition of constipation. It will allow your bowel movement very smoothly because of water content and fiber rich in avocado. And then that is hydration. Stop constipation by fiber of avocado, and where tomato is having 90% water. Then neuroprotective effect. Neuroprotective effect means our neuron cells, they are damaged, our brain cells, and there will be degeneration. That is called neurodegenerative effect of free radicals once you are under oxidative stress. This combination of avocado and tomato will drastically reduce the condition of degeneration of the neuron cells, and that will improve and it will protect you from Alzheimer's, that is memory loss, and dementia, and also Parkinson's disease. So overall, if I can summarize, the combination and duo of these two fruits together in the form of omelette or in the form of salad are the excellent choice, and your protein, carbohydrate, LDL, HDL, all triglyceride, eye, skin, overall health will be improved. So try to understand your health condition is all around one factor, and that is called metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome means your all nutrients together, anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, some vitamins, some minerals, and how they are taking care of your digestive system, where liver is involved, pancreas is involved, hormones are involved, all together. That is called your metabolic disorder or metabolic syndrome. If it is controlled, your 90% problem is over. And if your anti-inflammatory compounds are taking care of your body inflammation, if your body inflammation, your body oxidative stress is checked and balanced, your lot of problem is over. So with this, I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.